Welcome back! After the successful prototype campaign, we are presenting you GAROTES, the product. We are here in Masnou Beach, our hometown, where we have deployed for the first time our product to monitor the status of this beach. A couple of weeks ago, after a severe drought period, we finally had a major storm. However, the government is now concerned about the changes that this meteorological event has had on the coastline, both in the emerged and the submerged sand. We are partnering with the local authorities to use our tools to better understand and monitor these events. Now let's jump in and see how the GAROTES product works.
Once you enter into GAROTES webpage, you must first sign up and log in with a valid pre-approved account in order to gain access to all the available functionalities. The first functionality is the satellite-derived bathymetry using calibrated reference points. By loading a set of depth points previously recorded on the field, the user will be able to see them geolocalized on the map, displaying their position and depth. Then, the user must state when these points were collected, so GAROTES finds the best available satellite data. Moreover, the user can also add or delete any extra points manually. And in the future, the tool will be able to link the user account with any GAROTES IoT buoy under its control, so that the system will be able to retrieve calibrated depth values continuously. With all the calibrated points ready, the user then needs to draw its area of interest around them. This will be the area under which the SDB will be computed. Now that everything is in place, the user can pre-visualize the cropped satellite image coming from Sentinel-2 to ensure that there is no cloud coverage affecting GAROTES tool computations. If the skies are clear, with just a click, the tool will compute the SDB with a resolution of 10 by 10 meters of the selected area, between a depth of 0 and 14 meters. Finally, the user is then able to visualize it, having the computed SDB available for download and export. The second functionality available at GAROTES is the reconstruction of a previous bathymetry map to complement it or extend it. By selecting a bathymetry trace in a TIFF format, the user just needs to indicate the date when it was retrieved and upload it into GAROTES. Here we have a map of the coast in our hometown, right where we started our video in. Now, the user just needs to select a region of interest that extends the current area of the uploaded bathymetry. Just as before, after checking that there are no clouds in the area of interest obstructing its view, and with just one click, GAROTES will use the uploaded bathymetric file to calibrate and reconstruct an SDB for the area of interest, using Sentinel images with a 10 by 10 meter resolution and computing depths between 0 and minus 14 meters. Once computed, the new calculated SDB will be available for downloading and exporting. GAROTES has been a big journey for Spascat, where an idea that was conceived 6 months ago, sparked by the Cassini challenge, has now become a fully developed and commercially available product, already being used by a customer and on talks with several others. We're grateful to EUSPA for this fruitful opportunity, and we hope to see you all this June in Prague